So, a very good evening to all of you again for this session. And in this session, we will continue with discussion what we discussed yesterday. On Friday, we discussed about golden rules. Yesterday, on Saturday, we discussed about modern rules. Let us do a quick recap of modern rules. In fact, let us do a quick recap of golden rules and modern rules. Then I will start my discussion on this, on today's topic. Okay. So I will share my screen in a moment, guys. Okay. I will share my screen in a moment. Yeah. Let me share my screen with all of you. Okay. Can you see the screen now? Okay.
Yes, sir.
A quick recap of golden rules. 3 rules are there. One is for personal account, real account, nominal account. Personal account. What is the meaning of personal account, guys?
Anything related to the person, give or receive from a person.
Yeah, anything which is related to a person. Absolutely right, Pranam. What is the example of personal account, guys?
Capital, creditor, debtor, drawings,
Yes,
banks, prepaid and outstanding expenses, etc.
absolutely right. And the rule in personal account is debit the receiver and credit the
giver.
giver. Okay, fantastic, guys. This we discussed in length for 1 hour. We discussed on Friday. Real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. What is the meaning of real account? Any asset which is tangible or intangible in nature. Example was cash, furniture, machinery, goodwill, patent.
Goodwill,
Okay.
patents. Sir,
Yes.
what is that patent, sir?
Okay, patent is nothing but
Okay.
it is the identity of a business, guys. I spoke about, see, if I'm doing something, for example, I will give an example of COVID vaccine. In India, COVID vaccine was prepared by only 2 companies, right? I forgot the name of the companies. One is COVID Shield, I think. So only many companies, they tried making the vaccine, but only 2 companies were approved by the government of India. So they had their vaccines patented so that no one else can copy their vaccine. Clear? So anything which we invent or which we create on our own, we have a right to patent that in our own name so that no one else can create it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nominal account, debit all expenses and credit all income and gain. And all income expenses will form part of nominal account. Clear? Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Okay. Quick recap on modern rules. Without looking at the screen, guys, what is modern rule? Just give me a moment, guys. I'm getting a call. Give me a moment. Okay. So what I was discussing, modern rules, guys. What are the modern rules? Quickly, guys. 2 categories. We divided the modern rules. Asset and expenses always will have a asset and expenses always will have a
Debit balance.
debit balance in the trial balance. Liability, income, capital, retained earnings.
All liabilities are credit balance.
Yes, all liability, not liability alone. Liability, income, capital, retained earnings, reserves, everything will have a credit balance. Whenever asset and expenses increase means what we shall do? Asset and expense increase means, everyone, guys, Asset and expenses increase means
Debit, sir.
debit. Asset and expenses decrease means
Credit, sir.
Credit, sir.
credit. Liability, income and capital. Liability, income and capital increase means
Credit.
increase means credit. Liability,
Decrease means debit, sir.
yes, liability, income and capital. Retained earning, reserves and provisions. Decrease means debit, guys. Simple rules, guys. Simple rules. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Fantastic. Now, you will be surprised when I say that chapter number 6 and 8 is over. Okay? Let us see that how in today's class. Each and every question that we see in chapter number 6 and 8, you will be able to answer. But allow me a moment. In case something new is there, allow me to explain. If something which is already discussed in the class, everyone can participate, guys. Okay? So whenever I ask for an reply, at that moment only, please respond. The reason is I want everyone to understand and allow me to explain the concept, guys. Once I explain the concept, I have 15 students in the class, every 15 students will understand that concept. Clear, guys? Let me demonstrate that to you now. Chapter number 6, we will take up illustration number 1. Okay. I have only images today, so it will be very difficult for me to find out. Let me still try to find out. View large icons. Take this, guys. Illustration 1. Okay. Classify the following accounts into personal, real, and nominal. Classify the following into personal, real, and nominal. Don't look at the answer, guys. Cash account. Cash account will come under where?
Real account, sir.
Real account. Bank account.
Personal account.
There was a little doubt in your voice. Bank account is?
Personal account, sir.
Fantastic. Bank account is personal account. Outstanding salary, guys. Outstanding salary.
Personal.
Outstanding salary will come under personal account. Fantastic, guys. Sales.
Nominal account.
Nominal account, sir.
Fantastic, guys. Nominal account. I see lesser voice today. I want more to participate. Accrued interest.
Personal.
Accrued interest. See, accrued interest is an interest which I have to receive from someone. Accrued interest is an asset. Okay. Means it denotes that I have to receive this interest from someone. That is why it becomes a personal account. Okay. In bracket, you can mention to be received from someone. Leasehold property. Leasehold property. Personal account. No, leasehold property is a real account. Property. Leasehold land, leasehold property. Is it a personal account or a real account?
Real account. Real account.
Real account. Clear? Next, drawings.
Personal account, sir.
Personal account.
Discount received.
Nominal. Nominal.
Nominal account. Bad debts written off.
Nominal.
Why it is a nominal? It is a loss. I made a sale to a person. That person is not able to pay the money. That we call it as bad debt. Bad debt is a loss to the business. That is why bad debt is personal account, nominal account.
So purchase is a nominal account, right?
Absolutely right. Purchase is a nominal account. Bad debts written off is a nominal account. Bad debts recovered. Now, whatever in 9th point, whatever bad debts happened, that guy met me in the street. He has repaid that amount to me. So I am recovering my bad debts. Bad debts recovered it becomes my income now. Income will be which category?
Nominal account.
Nominal account. Plant and machinery will be which category?
Real account.
Assets.
Yes,
Assets.
assets.
Personal
Which
account, sir.
category? Plant and machinery, personal or real account?
Real
Real
account.
account, sir. Sorry,
Fantastic.
sir. Sorry, sir. Confused both.
No problem. Capital account is which account?
Personal account.
Capital account is
Personal account.
Personal
personal.
account. Interest paid is which account?
Nominal.
Nominal.
Fantastic. Interest paid is an expense to the business. It is a nominal account. Bank overdraft.
Nominal.
Nominal.
No, bank overdraft is it's a facility given by the bank to withdraw.
Personal account.
1 second. It's a facility given by the bank. If I have 100 rupees in my bank account, bank gives me the facility to withdraw more than my 100 rupees. Excess I can withdraw. So it becomes a liability. I have to repay to the bank. Since bank is a personal account, bank overdraft is also a personal account. I have to repay to the bank. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Prepaid rent. Prepaid rent.
Personal.
It is a personal account. Okay, I have still people joining. Okay. Carriage inward. Carriage inward is nothing but conveyance. It is a conveyance expense.
Nominal.
It is a nominal account. Goodwill.
Asset.
Real account. Real account.
It's an intangible asset. It is a real account, guys. Okay. See, when I said that everything in chapter 6 and 8, you will be able to answer, I meant it. Illustration 1 in front of you. Each point you guys have answered, guys. Clear? Now let's move to illustration 2. Illustration 2, similar way. See the nature of, tell me, rent received. Which account, guys?
Nominal.
Sir, rent account and cash account.
Yes. Let us only talk about whether it is personal, real, or nominal at this moment.
Nominal account.
Okay. And what they are asking, and show which account will be debited and which account will be credited. Okay. So in case of rent received, accounting entry will be what? Cash account debit to rent received. Okay. So why I am debiting cash? Debit what comes in real account, debit what comes in, and why rent received is credited, credit all income and gain. So let us first talk about category alone, guys. Forget about debit and credit. This debit and credit we will understand later also. Let us talk about category alone. Rent received will come under which category?
Nominal.
Nominal account.
Nominal
Machinery will come under which category?
Real account.
Real account.
Real account.
real account.
Goods purchased. Goods
Nominal.
purchased.
Nominal.
Nominal.
Yes.
Nominal.
Purchase account debit to cash account.
Closing.
Purchase will be nominal. Cash will be real account. So goods purchase in that purchase account will be nominal account. Capital introduced. Capital is personal account.
Personal account.
Rent paid.
Nominal account.
Nominal.
Will be nominal account.
Nominal account.
Once again, guys, someone in my door. Sorry, guys. Okay. So rent paid is nominal account. Interest received is nominal account.
Nominal.
Only think about building. Forget about building sold. Building is
Real.
account. Discount allowed. Discount allowed is
Nominal.
Nominal.
account. Goods sold. Sale.
Nominal.
Sale is nominal account. Fantastic, guys. You can all applaud yourself for seamlessly answering all of this thing. Fantastic, guys. Wonderful participation from all of you. Okay, let's get into the next one. Today I'm little struggling. I did not get time to put it in as a PDF. So I only taken pics actually. This is not required. Which is this one? It would have been easy if I had a PDF with me. Never mind. Okay. Now see this question, guys. Illustration 5. Illustration 4, you can do it yourself. On which side there will be illustration 4, you can try. Illustration 5, guys. Analyze the following transaction, state the nature of account, state which account will be debited and which account will be credited. Just see whether any of the transaction that we have not discussed, guys. Dinesh started business with cash. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Borrowed from Naresh. I am
No, sir.
borrowed from Naresh. What is the accounting entry, guys? Under modern rules, borrowed from Naresh, what is the accounting entry?
Liability.
Pretty.
It's a liability. Cash and yes,
Naresh.
cash.
Liability, cash, and loan from Naresh.
Come again, sir. Come again. Borrowed from Naresh.
Cash and loan borrowed from Naresh.
Yes. So cash account.
Cash is an asset increasing a debit.
Cash is okay.
Capital is a liability increasing credit.
Let me do one thing. Let me put this transaction in an Excel and let's try to solve it. Okay. Okay. Now let us solve it one by one. Okay. Someone asked me why we are not doing in a format. We will start doing in a format when we go to chapter number 8. Okay, now it is only understanding of concept. Akshit asked me yesterday why we are not doing in a format. We'll start doing it in a format when we go to chapter number 8. Let's understand the concept now, guys. Okay. So transaction number 1. Okay. Serial number 1. Transaction number 1 is Dinesh started business with cash. Let's not waste time in this. Cash account debit to capital account. Everyone is aware of this. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
Nahi, sir.
Purchase borrowed from Naresh. Let's do transaction number 2 directly.
Borrowed from Naresh.
Borrowed from Naresh. Okay, let me do one also because this is the first illustration we are doing. Dinesh started business with cash. Dinesh started business with. Which are the two accounts involved, guys? Quickly.
Cash and capital, sir.
Cash and capital.
Cash and capital, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Cash and capital,
cash and capital in
Cash and capital. Fantastic.
Cash and capital.
cash is an asset, sir.
Yes, yes. Cash will come under which category? Under modern rules.
Assets, sir.
Asset.
Asset. Capital will come under capital. My cash is
Capital.
increasing or decreasing?
Capital is increasing.
Increasing. Rule is asset increase means asset
Asset
increase.
increases means debit, liability increases means credit.
Asset increases.
It's not a liability. I told yesterday also. It is capital.
Okay. Capital means capital increases means credit.
Capital increase means great. Any doubt to anyone, guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Nahi, sir.
Accounting entry.
So cash account debit
Cash
to capital.
Cash account debit to capital.
Capital.
Amount is how much, guys?
The amount is
5 lakhs. sir.
amount is 5 lakhs, sir.
5
lakh.
lakhs, sir.
5 lakh and 5 lakh. Fantastic, guys. First accounting equation over. Sorry, first accounting entry over. Borrowed from Naresh. Two
1
account.
lakh, sir.
1 second, guys. Let me explain.
Cash. Okay.
Borrow cash, and second is which account? Loan from Naresh. Now my cash is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
It's an asset. Asset increase means debit. And loan from Naresh, is it a liability or income?
Liability.
Liability.
Liability. Fantastic. Liability increase
Credit.
means fantastic, guys.
Credit.
Project.
Fantastic, guys. Increase means credit. Okay. Accounting entry. Cash account debit to
Cash account debit to
Naresh account.
Naresh account.
loan from, not
From
Naresh
Naresh.
account. Loan from Naresh. It's a loan. Naresh is not my creditor. It's a loan from Naresh. So we have to specifically mention. If we mention no Naresh, it will look like,
Loan to Naresh. Loan from
yeah.
Naresh.
If I mention only Naresh, it may appear like a creditor. He is not a creditor. He is a lender. Clear?
Okay.
Okay. So loan from Naresh. What is this one? Amount?
1 lakh, sir.
1 lakh.
1 lakh, sir.
1 lakh and 1 lakh, guys. Fantastic, guys. Let's move to equation number, accounting entry number 3. Purchase furniture for cash. See, whenever I purchase for cash, is the name relevant?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Name is not relevant. It is only to confuse you guys. Purchased furniture for cash. For cash from Raj Furniture House. Ignore all typing mistake, guys. That's fine. Purchase cash from Raj Furniture House. There is a mistake in furniture also. But okay, let me complete it. Ignore all typing mistake, guys. Not a problem. Purchase furniture for cash from which are the two accounts involved, guys? What I will
Furniture,
get?
cash.
Furniture
Cash account,
account
furniture
and
account.
cash account.
Both will fall under same category. Which is the category, guys?
Assets,
Both will
sir.
asset. One asset is increasing, another
Asset.
asset is
Decreasing.
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 Which asset is increasing?
Furniture asset is
Furniture.
increasing.
Furni-
Cash asset is
asset-
decreasing.
Yes, fantastic, guys. Asset decrease means
Asset decreases means credit, sir.
yes. I am changing it. I only copied this.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Asset decrease
Sir,
means
the journal entry I can say, sir. I can say.
Yes,
Furniture
tell me.
account
Furniture
to
debit
cash.
to cash account.
yes. There is a competition between Sanjana and Pranav. Fantastic, guys. I appreciate this. Furniture account debit to cash account.
बोल रहा हूँ.
How much is the account? How much is the amount?
20,000, sir.
Fantastic.
20,000.
Okay.
Sir.
I'm not now able to recognize. I'm not able to see anyone, but I'm able to recognize all your voices now. I think this was from Akshaya. Because I'm seeing my screen, I'm not able to see any face now. Purchase furniture from Delhi Safe. Next entry is purchase furniture from Delhi Safe. Why they are repeating the same entry? Same accounting entry, guys.
are involved, sir.
Credit.
The furniture and Delhi safe are involved, sir. In accounts involved.
Purchase furniture from Delhi Safe. Here, it is not a cash purchase, guys. It is a credit purchase.
Okay.
Purchased
Credit purchase.
furniture. Why it is a credit purchase? Because mention of cash is not there. Purchase furniture from Delhi Safe. Accounting entry. Now I have a furniture in hand and also I have a liability. The name of the liability is what?
Delhi safe.
Delhi safe,
Delhi
sir.
Safe.
Delhi
Because
safe, sir.
Delhi
I have
safe.
to pay to Delhi Safe. He is my
Credit card, sir.
Creditor.
creditor. Fantastic, guys.
Creditor.
Asset
And
and asset
liability,
and
sir.
Liability.
liability. Fantastic, guys.
Asset and liability.
Asset increases
and
means
liability.
debit and liability increases means credit, sir.
Fantastic, Pranav. Liability increase means credit.
Sir,
Anyone else?
sir,
Guys?
journal only I can tell, sir. I can tell.
Yes.
Furniture
Everyone will
account
tell.
to Delhi
Sir,
safe.
we are not getting the time to think.
Okay, Pranav. Let's be little slow, guys. Okay.
Okay.
You can also tell the so
Sir, they didn't let me to answer, sir. Now what can I do, sir?
Pranav, who is taking the class? I am taking the class, right? So you have
Okay,
to follow. You have to follow what my instructions.
Okay, sir.
Don't argue with me in the class. Clear?
Sir, not you, sir. That
No argument in the class. Please
Okay,
follow what I say.
okay, sir.
Okay. Only I will be the person who will be giving instructions. No one else is allowed to give any instructions.
Okay.
You have to follow my instructions, guys. Clear?
Oh, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Let us maintain the decorum of the class, guys, because in online it is very, very difficult for me to take an online class. So let us be little slow, guys. It's no harm in being slow. Okay. So furniture account debit and Delhi safe is a creditor. My liability increase means credit.
Liability increases with credit.
Credit. Okay. So amount is 40,000 and 40,000. Clear? Yes.
Sir.
Let's go slow. Everyone can answer, but let's go slow. No need to hurry up. Purchase goods for cash. Two accounts which are involved is
Purchase account and
Cash account and goods purchase account.
yes. One is okay. One is purchase account. Another is
Cash account.
cash account. Okay. Purchase will come under which category, guys?
Expense.
Expense. Cash will come under asset.
Asset.
When I make a purchase, my expense is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Expenses
Increasing.
Expense increase means? Expense increase means debit.
Debit.
Expense increase means credit, sir.
Expense increase means debit. And asset increase means, asset decrease means?
Credit.
Credit.
Decrease means credit. Okay. So
So purchase account debit to cash.
fantastic. Purchase account debit. Why debited?
Purchase account
Because
debit
my
to
expense is
cash
increasing.
account.
Yes. Why purchase is debited? Because my expense is increasing. Why cash is credited? Because my asset is decreasing. Accounting entry is purchase account debit to cash account. Amount, guys. Help me with the amount.
15,000, sir.
15,000.
15,000.
Any doubt, guys? Yes, you are
No.
now able to follow. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Everyone should follow, guys. Yes. Next accounting entry.
Purchase
Purchase.
goods from Mahesh of rupees 30,000.
Yes. Allow me to take a pause. Purchase goods from Mahesh. Anywhere cash is mentioned, guys?
No, sir.
Is it a credit purchase or a cash purchase?
Credit.
Credit purchase.
Fantastic. Fantastic, guys. So purchase goods from Mahesh. Two accounts are involved. One is purchase account, same. And another account is Mahesh account. Mahesh is what? My
Liability.
liability.
Creditor.
Liability. He is also my creditor. Okay. Expense increase means debit. And liability is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
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 Fantastic. Increasing means credit. Accounting entry is purchase account debit to
Purchase account debit to Mahesh, sir.
fantastic. Purchase account debit to Mahesh. Amount
30,000.
30,000, sir.
fantastic.
30,000.
30,000 and 30,000. Okay. This space is okay for all of you? Are you all
Yes,
following?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic, guys. Okay, we'll go in this space only. 7th. I want everyone to understand. 7th, sold goods for cash. For cash. See, when cash word is given, any other word is important now.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
This currying word they have given is only to confuse you guys, not relevant to us. We know that it is not important. Which are the two accounts involved?
Cash and
Cash account and
Cash
purchase.
and the sales.
Cash is what? Asset. Sales is what?
Income.
Expense.
Income. When I make a sale, my income will increase or decrease?
Increase.
Increase. Income increase means
Income will increase.
Credit.
income increase means debit or credit?
Credit, sir.
Credit. Fantastic, guys. I was waiting for the answer. Income increase means
Asset increases
credit.
means debit.
Asset increase means debit.
Debit.
Accounting entry. Accounting entry.
So cash account data to sales.
Fantastic, guys. Cash account debit to sales. Amount. Help me with the amount.
Amount is of rupees
25,000.
25,000, sir.
25,000. Fantastic, guys. See, so how fast we are completing all this.
Oh,
Eighth, sold goods to Sham on credit. Sold, it's cash sales or credit sales?
Credit sales, sir.
credit sales, sir.
Credit sales.
Credit sales, sir.
Two accounts which are involved.
Sham and sales, sir.
Sham and sales. Okay. Now, let me ask a question to Yash now. Only Yash. I will keep changing names in this class. Yash, this Sham is what? Liability, asset, income, capital. What is Sham?
Sir, asset.
Asset. We also call this
Debtor.
asset as
Debtor.
debtor. Fantastic, guys. Sham is asset. Sales. My question to
Income.
Aditya. Sales. Sales is what?
Sales is an income, sir.
Income.
Nice, sir.
My question to Pranav.
Okay.
Asset is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing, sir.
Asset increase means
Debit.
debit. My question to Akshaya. Income is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing, sir.
Income increase means
Debit.
debit or credit?
Debit, sir.
Income increase.
Sorry,
Income,
sir,
when
credit.
income is increasing, we have to. I will again ask final time. Credit or debit?
Credit.
Credit. Fantastic. Credit. Now my question to Sanjana.
Sir.
Accounting entry.
Sham account debit to sales account.
Sham account debit to sales account. Okay. So I involved most of you in this discussion. Similarly, I will take few other names in my next discussion. Okay. What is the amount, guys?
30,000.
30,000.
30,000 and 30,000. Okay. Similar thing. I will only ask question to few people.
Yes, sir.
Let
Clear.
them answer. Next one. 9. Cash received from Sham. Let me ask cash received from Sham. Let me see who all are there in the class. Cash received from Sham. Aradhna. Cash
Sir?
received from Sham. Which are the two account in which is the account involved? Two account involved.
Cash and Sham.
Cash and Sham. My question to Dhanya now. Cash is
Sir?
which category?
Asset.
Asset. My question to next person who is on the next. Kripacharan. Sham is which category? Sham is which category? Kripacharan, you are there? Next one. Naina. Sham is which category?
Creditor, liability,
Sham, we sold goods to Sham, right? Sham is not a creditor. Sham is an asset. Now he is paying me the cash because we made a credit sale to him. He is now paying the cash to me. Clear?
okay,
Now, when he pays the cash to me, debtor will increase or decrease?
please,
Debtor will decrease because now he has to pay me 25,000. Out of 25,000, he is paying me some amount. So his payment will decrease the debtors. So debtor asset decrease means asset decrease.
Credit.
Sham will decrease. Asset decrease means credit.
credit,
Which asset will increase? Which asset will increase?
cash,
Cash will increase. Asset increase means debit. Fantastic, guys. Now I will ask the question to next person who is next on the line. Navya. What is the accounting entry? Navya. Accounting entry. Roshni. Pranav, I have already asked the previous one. Roshni, what is the next one online?
Looks like she didn't.
Accounting entry. Or Pranav, what is the accounting entry?
Cash account data to Sham.
Cash account debit to
Sham.
Sham. Fantastic, guys. Wonderful participation by everyone. Amount
20,000, sir.
20,000
20,000, sir.
and 20,000. Next also I will involve others who have not been involved so far. So Shambhavi and Yainian, they have not been involved so far. Let me ask them. Okay. 10th. Cash paid to Mahesh. Shambhavi, which are the two accounts involved?
Sir,
Cash
cash
paid
account
to
and Mahesh account.
Mahesh account. Mahesh account and
Cash account.
cash account. Okay. Yainian. Mahesh was my creditor or debtor? Mahesh. See here. Mahesh was my creditor or debtor? Creditor. When I pay this creditor, my liability will increase or decrease?
Decrease, sir.
Yes. Everyone, guys, liability will decrease. Liability decrease means everyone can participate. Liability decrease means
Debit.
Debit decrease.
debit, guys. Debit. And
Debit.
when I pay cash to Mahesh, my asset will increase or decrease?
Asset increases means asset decreases means credit, sir.
Fantastic. Accounting entry. Accounting entry.
Mahesh account debtor to cash.
Mahesh account
account debit to cash account.
How much is the amount, guys?
10,000, sir.
10,000 and 10,000. Any challenge in this, guys? So easy.
Yes, sir.
10,000, sir.
So easy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic, guys. I appreciate all the happy faces. Fantastic, guys.
Finally, I got happy, sir.
Finally, you got happy because you got to talk today.
Sir, it was so easy, sir.
So easy?
Same method used by Tally that I learned.
Same method.
Same method that I used to learn in Tally, sir. Tally
Fantastic.
some class.
Fantastic. Illustration 5 we completed. Illustration 6 we complete. 6.
Analyze the following transaction,
One
right?
second. 6 you can do it. Just read through 6, guys. Do you see any challenge? I don't see any challenge. If you have any challenge, I will do it now. Otherwise, we will take something difficult. Why take always easy things? We'll take something difficult. Just read through 6. Let me know if there is any challenge. Anuj started business with cash. Any difficulty?
No, sir.
Deposited cash into bank. My bank account will increase, cash account will decrease. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Deposited cash into bank. Which account will increase, guys? Which account will increase?
Bank
Deposited
is increasing, sir.
bank will increase. Accounting entry will be bank account debit to cash account. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Withdrew cash for personal use. Personal use means
Drawings.
drawings. And accounting entry will be what? Decrease in capital. Drawing always indicates decrease in capital. Okay, let me do this. Let me do this. Let me do this, guys. We are still in the initial stages. So let me do this also. The more we practice, the more we will become experts, guys. Illustration 5. Illustration 6. Okay. Fantastic, guys. Today's class, I'm really enjoying the participation from all of you guys. I'm really enjoying the participation from all of you. Okay. Again, we have 10 transactions. The first one is very simple. Anuj started business with cash. We can do it very quickly. Anuj started business with cash. Okay. What is the accounting entry, guys?
Cash and capital.
Yes, we don't have to discuss this, guys. I will directly copy everything from my this except amount. Amount only will change. What is the amount, guys?
1 lakh, sir.
1 lakh. I'm not discussing this because we have discussed this number of times. Starting from accounting equation till now, we have discussed this a lot of times. Next is deposited cash into the bank. Deposited cash into bank. Give me a moment, guys. Yes, deposited cash into bank. Accounting entry. Which are the two accounts involved, guys?
Bank and cash.
Bank and cash.
Bank and cash.
Bank and cash. Which account is increasing? Which account is decreasing?
Bank is increasing.
Bank
Cash
is
is
increasing,
increasing.
cash is
Both?
decreasing.
Both will fall under which category?
Asset.
Asset. Fantastic.
Asset.
Asset increase means debit. Asset decrease means
Credit.
credit. Fantastic, guys.
Credit.
Accounting entry. Quickly.
Bank account debtor to
Bank
cash
account debit to cash account.
Okay. Amount.
50,000.
50,000. 50,000, guys. Okay. Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Fantastic, guys. Next one. Withdrew cash for personal use. Withdrew cash for personal use.
Drawings and cash are involved.
Yes, yes. Let me first complete this. Yes. Whenever it is personal use, immediately one thing should strike. It is always drawing
Drawings.
and cash. Drawing means which category drawing will be? Capital. Capital will increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Decrease in capital means?
Decrease.
Decrease in capital means?
Debit.
Debit.
Fantastic,
Debit.
guys. Fantastic. And cash, asset decrease means credit.
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 Accounting entry, guys. Accounting entry.
Drawing account
Drawings
Drawings
account
account
debit
debtor.
to cash account.
Drawings account debit to cash account. How much is the amount, guys?
5,000.
5,000 and 5,000. Third is over. Now fourth. Withdrew cash from bank. Withdrew. So the difference between previous question is from and this question is previous was personal use and this is office use. Withdrew cash from bank for office use. For personal use or office use?
Office use.
Office use. Two accounts are involved. Which are the two accounts involved?
Cash and bank.
Which account is increasing?
Cash
Cash,
is
Cash.
Cash is increasing.
cash increases and bank decreases.
Yes, cash increases. Opposite ulta entry of point
So
number
cash
two.
is an asset increasing debit. Bank is an asset decreasing debit.
Yes, cash account debit to
Bank.
bank account. How much is the amount, guys?
10,000.
10,000, sir.
10,000. Fantastic, guys.
Okay.
Very good to see the progress from all of you. Fifth one. Received a check. Received. See, whenever they mention received a check, that means which account check always is credited to which account?
Bank
My-
account.
My bank account. Okay. We can always call it as received a check from whom?
Sham.
From debtor. Debtor. Sham. From debtor. Sham. See, now I am getting what? I am getting a check. So I will call it as checks in hand. I will open an account called checks in hand. When this check is deposited into the bank, when this check is deposited into the bank, that time only this check will convert into my bank balance. If I am having this check in my hand, my bank balance will increase. Because of having a check in my hand, will my bank balance increase?
No, sir.
No. When it will increase? When I deposit that check. So until such time, that is called as checks in hand. Clear?
Yes, sir.
It is also an asset. It is also an asset because tomorrow this check in hand will become my bank balance. Tomorrow this check in hand, once I deposit, will become my bank balance. So checks in hand also is an asset. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So checks in hand, from whom I am receiving? Sham.
Sure.
Sham is my debtor. When Sham gives a check to me, my debtor will increase or decrease? Debtor, Sham. Sham
Data will decrease, sir.
decrease because Sham has to pay me some, assuming 1 lakh rupees. If he pays 20,000 rupees, tomorrow he will pay only 80,000 rupees balance. Clear? So whatever amount he is paying, he is decreasing his balance. So debtor will, asset increase means debit. Which asset is increasing? Checks in hand.
Check in hand, the data Sham decrease means credit.
To Sham. Fantastic, Pranav. To Sham, what is the amount? Amount is how much?
5,000.
5,000, sir.
5,000, guys.
5,000.
Fantastic, guys. Fantastic. All of you are participating today. What about others, guys? How many are there in my class? 13. And I see hear only 4 or 5 voices. Other voices, I am not able to hear. Okay. 6th, deposited Sham's check next day. Now I am depositing Sham's check. Next day. Next day, bank is open. Today is Sunday. Bank is closed. Today is Sunday. Bank is closed. Now I am depositing this check. When I am depositing this check in my bank, which account will increase?
Bank.
Bank
And
balance, bank balance will increase and this checks in hand will become 0. I have deposited this check. That means this checks in hand will become 0 and it will convert into a bank balance. One
Yes, sir.
asset is increasing, bank balance. Another asset, checks in hand, is becoming 0. It is decreasing.
Decrease.
Why it is decreasing? Because checks in hand has now converted into bank balance. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Logical?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it logical, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Always understand with logic, guys. Our entire class will always be full of concepts. Clear? Same accounting entry. Sorry, same rule. Asset increase debit, but assets are changing. Which asset is increasing? Bank account.
Bank.
Which asset is decreasing?
Check in
Bank.
hand.
Check in hand, sir.
To checks in hand. Which asset is decreasing? To checks in hand. This is where students make a mistake if they don't understand the. How much is the amount, guys? Same amount.
5,000.
5,000. Same amount. 5,000 and
5,000.
5,000. Clear, guys? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Fantastic, guys. Mark point number 5 and 6 as important because whenever you have to revise for exam, this may confuse you. You have to revise it. Clear? Now, 7th one. What is the 7th one, guys? Paid to creditor Mahesh by check. Paid to Creditor
Mahesh by check rupees 10,000.
okay. When I make a payment to creditor Mahesh by check, which are the 2 accounts which are involved?
Mahesh and bank.
Mahesh and bank account. Fantastic, guys. So what is the accounting entry? Mahesh.
account debit to bank account.
Okay, let us go step by step. Mahesh, my creditor is increasing or decreasing? Liability is increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing, sir.
Yes. When I pay my liability will decrease and my asset will also decrease. Asset decrease means credit and liability decrease means
Liability decreases means debit.
liability decrease means debit. Fantastic, guys. Liability decrease means debit. Okay. Accounting entry, guys.
Mahesh account debit to bank.
Mahesh account debit to bank account.
Mahesh account debit to bank account. Amount, guys. What is the amount?
10,000, sir.
10,000.
10,000 and 10,000. So how many we have completed now? 7. 8th
8,
one.
9, 10 is
Any doubt?
sir.
Any doubt, guys? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt. Fantastic, guys.
No
Today's
doubt,
class is very interesting.
I love
Paid
it.
salary to staff. Paid salary to staff.
I love it.
Oh.
Their salary staff of rupees 20,000.
Okay. So two accounts are involved. One is
Salary and
Pay
cash.
Salary.
salary and
Salary
Cash.
and cash account.
cash. Salary is
Expense.
expense.
Sorry,
Cash is-
incomes. So expenses.
It
Sorry,
is not
sir.
your,
Sorry,
it is
sir.
not your salary. It is the salary which is paid by the
Sorry, sir.
business.
Expenses. Sir. Sorry, sir. I just confused
No
both,
problem.
sir.
So salary is expense.
Expense increases means debit and asset decreases means credit.
Yes. Expense increase means debit. Accounting entry.
Salary account debits to cash account.
Salary account
Cash
debit
account?
to cash account.
How much?
20,000.
20,000, sir. 20,000, sir.
20,000. Any doubt to anyone, guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Fantastic. Paid rent by check. Paid rent by check. Check means bank account.
Bank account.
Okay.
Rent account and
Bank.
bank account.
Bank account.
Same.
Rent is an expenses and bank is an asset, sir.
Yes. Everyone, guys. Accounting entry. My question to only Yash. Accounting entry.
Okay.
Accounting entry.
Come on, Yash.
Aditya. Accounting entry.
Come on, Daddy. You do it, sir. Come on, da. Come on, da.
Pranav.
What's that?
Am I taking class or you are taking class?
Oh, no, sir. No, sir. I'm just more.
Motivating.
That's-
Okay. So let me take class. Okay. Accounting entry, guys.
Rent account debit to
Rent
Bank.
account debit
To
to
bank,
bank
sir.
account.
Rent account debit to
Sir,
bank
that
account.
is not cash, sir. Bank will come.
Yes. It is bank account. I was just saying how many of you are alert.
20,000.
That was my mistake actually.
Sir, 6,000, sir.
6,000. Okay. Fantastic, guys. Last one. Paid interest on loan. Paid interest on loan. Paid interest on loan. Two accounts which are involved.
Interest and
It can be cash or alternatively it can be bank also. Depends whether I'm paying cash or whether I'm paying through check. Clear? I can use both. At times I will pay by cash. At times I will pay through my bank account. Clear? Not both answers are right. If you put interest on loan account debit to cash account, that is also right. If you put interest on loan account debit to bank account, that is also right. Clear? Okay. Same expense asset.
interest is income rate, sir.
I am making a payment of interest. When I make a payment of interest,
Okay.
it is an expense, right? Okay. Interest.
Account data
Interest.
to
To
cash or
clarify,
bank.
you can mention interest expense account debit. To just
Cash or
mention
bank.
just mention anyone in exam, guys.
Okay.
Either cash or bank.
Or bank.
Don't mention because you will not pay both, right? For one interest, will you pay by cash? Will you pay by bank? No. You will either use your cash or you will either use your bank account balance. Both answers are right. You can use any one of them. Clear?
Yes, sir.
To cash, or I will put it as not cashless bank. I will put cash or bank. Cash or
bank.
anyone. Okay. In exam, you should use only one. How much is the amount, guys?
5,000, sir.
5,000 and 5,000. Clear? So easy. See, all this is looking easy because of our 1 hour class yesterday. Clear? That is where I tried to build the concept. The reason why I insist on building the concept is once I give that half an hour to 1 hour of explanation, then when we get into the topic, that topic will start looking easy to all of you. Clear? So always the first session is the most important session, guys. Clear? In fact, in few cases, in my class, if you join at 7, if the class is 7 o'clock and if you join at 7:10, in the 10 minutes, if the concept is already discussed in the 10 minutes, there is a possibility that you may not follow the remaining class. If I start exactly at 7 and few of you join at 7:10, there is a possibility that remaining class you may not understand. Because if the concept gets discussed in the first 10 minutes, the remaining class, you will miss the remaining catching up. Clear? So stay focused. That is why I told stay absolutely focused for exact 1 hour in my previous class, and I can see the results today. All of you have been absolutely focused, guys. A big applause to everyone, all of you guys. The kind of participation that I had today, it's absolutely amazing, guys. Okay, so we have now completed chapter number 6. There is a small portion of the chapter left, which is called T-shaped accounts. I don't think it is relevant at this stage, but let's do that. 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do that. See this.
Sir, you mean that debit side or credit side? We should
Yes.
put the
See, this
T-shape.
T-shape account is actually a ledger account.
Okay.
There is no reason to bring a ledger account in a chapter called journal. For ledger account, we have a separate topic, right? We have a separate chapter for ledger account. Which chapter is that? Chapter number 9. In chapter number 9, we will be discussing all this T-shape account in detail. Okay. But since it is given in this topic, let us discuss a little bit on T-shape account. It is nothing but a ledger account, guys. Discussion of this in detail will be done in chapter number 9. Chapter number 9, when we come to ledger, we will discuss that in detail. Let us take 2 or 3 small problems on T-shape account. Not relevant, to be honest, at this level, in this chapter. But since it is given, we will discuss this. Six point 6.11. Where is 6.11? I'm finding it difficult to. I think this is 6.11. I think. This is 6.10. Okay. Okay. So this is. Can you see my screen, guys?
Yes, sir.
Prepare a T-shape account
Yes,
of
sir.
furniture. Prepare a T-shape account of furniture. Now, let me give you few concepts before I get into a T-shape account. Furniture is which category, guys?
Assets, sir.
Furniture is
Yes, sir.
Assets, sir.
Furniture is asset. And for asset, what is the rule? Asset increase means debit.
Asset increase means debit. Asset decrease means
Asset decrease
credit.
means credit. Okay. So whenever we prepare a ledger account, format will be particular amount. Format will be particular amount. And ledger folio, it will also be like date, particular ledger folio amount. Sorry, date, particular journal folio and amount, and paid date, particular journal folio and amount. Okay, or date, particular amount is the usual format. Okay, let us keep it simple. Okay,
Date
one side will be
particular,
debit,
amount.
left side. Yes, date particular. Let us for now.
Sir, let me just that one. The
One
detail.
second. One second.
Okay,
One
okay.
second. Date particular amount and date particular amount. Left side is debit side. Right side is credit side. Clear? So let me show my screen to you, all of you guys.
Okay, sir.
Okay. T-shape account. Okay. T-shape account is nothing but a ledger, guys. Let us call it as a ledger. Which account we are supposed to make? Furniture account. Date. Particular. Amount. Amount in rupees. Again,
Sir, is date also involved?
date is in the format, but in this question, date is not given. I'm just showing you a format, guys. Okay. Furniture. In this question, date is not given, but obviously in a ledger, every day there will be a transaction, right? Every day there will be a transaction. Without recording the date, we will not know in which date the transaction has happened. Date is very, very important in ledger. Okay. Okay. Date. If you want to know the correct format, it is date particular JF. We call it as journal folio. Here also date particular journal folio and amount. In journals, it is ledger folio. In ledger, it is journal folio. Means from which journal this has come. This is the format of ledger. Furniture account. Furniture account. And most important thing I have not mentioned, this is debit and this is credit. This is debit and this is, all the ledger will look like same, only name will change. If it is furniture, it will be furniture. If it is bank, it will be bank account. If it is capital, it will be capital account. If it is salary, it will be salary account. All the ledger will look same. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now which account we are making?
Furniture.
Furniture. Okay. Which account we are making? We are making furniture. Always debit side is to side. Credit side is buy side. Credit side is buy side. This you have to remember. This is the format, guys. To and buy. Debit side is always to, credit side is always buy. Now, let me give you a concept. Which account we are making? Furniture account. And furniture is what? Furniture is what? Which category, guys?
Asset, sir.
Asset.
Furniture is asset. Furniture is asset. Asset increase means furniture is asset. Asset increase means
Debit, sir.
debit. Asset decrease means
Credit.
Credit, sir.
decrease means credit. So whenever a transaction is increasing asset, we will debit furniture account. Whenever a transaction is decreasing furniture, we will credit furniture account. Clear? Let us see how. Now I will ask you a few questions, guys. I will ask you a few questions. Just answer after I ask, only then answer. Again, I am repeating, only when I ask you, then only answer, guys. Furniture purchased. My furniture is increasing or decreasing? Increasing. When I purchase furniture, what do I pay to purchase this furniture? Entry is furniture account debit. Furniture account debit, and credit is what?
Cash.
Cash account.
Cash.
So this should come in my debit side of furniture or credit side of furniture?
Debit, sir.
Yes, because furniture asset increase means debit. Why? Which is impacting this? Because furniture account debit to cash. Furniture account debit. In the debit side of furniture, I am putting furniture. This is furniture account. Furniture account debit to cash. How much is this? In this
50,000.
example, how much it is?
50,000.
50,000. We don't have a date column. Instead of date column, I will put it as serial number for this particular question. Serial number. This is serial number 1. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt, guys? No. Serial number 2. Serial number 2, furniture sold. Okay, so I will put here serial number 1, accounting entry. Serial number 1, accounting entry was furniture account debit to cash. Okay, so in the debit side of furniture, I have put to cash. Amount was how much?
10,000.
Oh, amount was 50,000, I think, right? 50,000. Okay, amount was 50,000. Serial number 2. 2 is what? Furniture sold. Furniture sold
Gold.
costing 10,000.
10,000.
When I sell my furniture, what I will get? Cash. And my furniture will increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Decrease. Entries cash account debit to furniture account. How much? 10,000. Now in furniture account, it should come in credit side or debit side. My furniture is decreasing. It should come in credit side or debit side?
Credit.
Credit side. This is credited. And what I get in return, I get what? Cash.
Cash.
So in furniture account, what I will put? Buy cash. How much is that amount?
10,000.
10,000. This is, I will change this to serial number. This was serial number 2. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Clear? Third, same furniture purchased again. Third is again furniture purchased. Furniture account debit to cash account. How much is the amount, guys?
15,000.
15,000. It will come in which side of furniture account? Debit side or credit side?
Debit.
Debit side. What shall I mention? To
Cash.
to cash. How much I shall mention?
15,000.
15,000. This is, date is not there. So this is serial number
3.
3. Fantastic, guys. Any doubt?
Sir,
sir.
here buy furniture should come, sir.
Where?
Credit side.
In furniture account, remember one thing, guys. In furniture account, furniture cannot come. In cash account, cash cannot come. In capital account, capital cannot come. Because we cannot pass an entry furniture account debit to furniture. Clear? Most important thing to know, in furniture account, furniture name can never come. Clear? Because when I debit furniture, I will credit not furniture, I will credit cash or I will credit bank. So in furniture account, furniture can never come. This is the highest level of mistake an accountant can do. In furniture account, if there is an accountant in a company, if he puts furniture account debit to furniture, that is the highest level of mistake he can do. Because all of us know, if furniture is debited, something else will get credited. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So always remember, in capital account, can capital come? No. In bank account, can bank come? No. In sales account, can sales come? No. Any account, that particular account can never come in that account.
Okay.
In drawings account, drawings cannot come. In rent account, rent cannot come. In furniture account, furniture cannot come. Clear, guys? Conceptually clear?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Point number 4, old furniture discarded. Old furniture discarded. Old furniture discarded. Same accounting entry like point number 2. Old furniture discarded means sold. Discarded means sold. Again, when I sell my old furniture, sell my old furniture, what I will get? Old furniture discarded. Okay, they are not selling it. Old furniture discarded. That means what they are doing, they are removing this furniture. They are removing this furniture from the furniture account. It is not a scrap sales. It is not a scrap sale. So accounting entry will be, when I discard my furniture, when I discard my furniture will increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Decrease. So two furniture. Am I getting cash for this? I am not getting cash. I am just discarding it. So I will put it in a new account called furniture. This is a loss to me, guys. Furniture discarded. How much is the amount?
5,000.
5,000. It is as good as a loss to me. I am discarding this. Accounting entry will be by. If I sell this furniture in scrap, then I can use the same accounting entry, cash account debit to furniture. But here they are mentioning, they are not using the word old furniture discarded for cash 500, for cash 5,000. They are not using the word old furniture discarded for cash. They are just telling it is discarded. Discarded means it has become a loss to me. So buy furniture. Why I am crediting? Asset decreases. Asset decrease means credit. How much is the amount, guys?
5,000.
5,000, guys. Fantastic, guys. We are preparing a ledger. Depreciation on furniture. See, depreciation on furniture. I am sitting in a chair, using a laptop, taking the class in a table. So I am depreciating three assets. Laptop is getting depreciated. The chair that I am sitting is also getting depreciated. The table in which the laptop is kept, that is also getting depreciated. When an asset is depreciating, asset will increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Decrease.
Asset decrease means
Credit.
credit. And why it is decreasing? What is the name of the expense which is decreasing this asset? That name of the expense is depreciation. Name of the expense is depreciation. So depreciation is what? Depreciation is an
Loss.
expense. Depreciation expense account debit. Depreciation expense account debit to furniture. Why I am debiting depreciation? Because it's an expense. Expense increase means
Debit.
Expense increase means debit and
Debit.
asset decrease
Asset decrease means credit. Asset decrease means credit. Decrease means credit. Okay. So how much is the amount, guys? 3,000. 3,000. Now, how shall I post in ledger? How shall I post in ledger?
Depreciation on furniture.
By depreciation on furniture. Why it is credited? Why this account is credited? Because of this depreciation, my furniture is coming down. Okay. How much is the amount, guys?
3,000.
3,000. The last step is total. Now I have recorded all the transaction. I have to total all the transaction. Debit side total is how much? Debit side total is how much? 65,000.
5,000.
Credit side total is how much?
18,000.
18,000. So I have by balance. We call it as by balance carried down. Carried down means it is carried to the next. By balance carried down. I also call it as by balance. CD. By balance carried. CD is carried down. Carried down. How much balance, guys?
47,000.
65,000 minus 18,000.
47.
Now my furniture. This is nothing but the closing balance of furniture. I started with 50,000 purchase. Another 15,000. I purchased 65,000. Out of 65,000, see how I shall read a ledger. I purchased 50,000 worth of furniture. Then I purchased another 15,000. My total furniture became 65,000. Out of this 65,000, I sold 10,000 rupees of furniture. I sold 5,000 rupees of furniture. I had to discard because it is of no use. 3,000 rupees of furniture got depreciated. So out of 65,000, 18,000 reduced. So how much balance furniture left? 47,000. How much balance furniture left? So the balance of furniture is now 47,000, guys. Clear?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt?
No, sir.
This is how you have to read a ledger. In fact, now I have completed chapter number 9 also. The chapter number 9 is all about ledgers. Whatever transaction that we are recording as journal, those transactions we have to convert to a ledger. This is the same explanation I will be giving when I go to chapter number 9. Clear? Any doubt? There we will be making lot of ledgers. Depreciation ledger, furniture ledger, debtors ledger, creditors ledger. Lot of ledgers will be preparing, guys. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Simple?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Fantastic, guys. Fantastic. I have 5 more minutes. Let me see if I can take another small ledger. Now they are asking, illustration 8 is about preparing Mohan's ledger. Illustration 9 is about preparing debtors ledger. And illustration 10 is about capital account. Okay, we will wind up here. I don't want to impose too many things or concept today. I will stop presenting now. Any doubt in today's class, guys?
No, sir.
Fantastic.
No, sir.
Ledger, don't worry. We'll be discussing extensively about ledger. In this chapter, just focus on journal entries. Ledger, don't worry. We'll be discussing ledger extensively when we go to chapter number 9. Clear?
Yes,
I just
sir.
introduced a sample to you. We'll be doing like how we did accounting equation, 15 to 20 accounting equation we did. Similarly, journals also we did lot of journals, around 60 to 70 journals we would have done. Similarly, ledgers also we will do lot of ledgers. Don't worry about ledger at this stage. Clear? In the next class, I will try to skip the remaining 3 T-shape account because we will focus on chapter number 8 journals. When is the next class, guys?
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday at
Friday.
Wednesday and Friday. Wednesday we will take at 7:30, guys.
Wednesday, sir.
Wednesday we will take at 7:30 and Friday we will take at 7 o'clock. Clear? I will put it in the group. I forgot to put it today. Okay. And tomorrow I look forward to see everyone with a good morning message at 5 a.m. I am more excited than you guys. Okay, I will stop recording for a moment. Let me just
sir.
wait a second.